I'm so mad. Where is he?
Oh, hey, man.
Oh, look who it is.
What's wrong?
What do you mean, what's wrong?
Just got back from the groceries.
Oh, where were you? Groceries.
Yeah, I was getting some groceries.
What store?
Smith's?
Smith's. Because Smith's is
It's hot out
down 300 blocks from here. You know where we live. We live in the middle of nowhere.
You know we need milk, so I went to go get some milk.
Where's the milk?
I left it downstairs.
No, you
What's wrong with you?
didn't. I know what you were doing. What are you doing? Stop. I need to talk to you right now.
What are you talking about?
Don't try to act like I didn't. I saw you guys.
Doing what?
What do you mean doing what? You were with her the whole time. I hate this.
Doing
You've always
what?
been doing this to me. Stop it. Look